Hey, so we have reached the end of the Quilt as Desired class. And if you made it all the way here, that means you've spent a lot of time at your sewing machine. You've stitched through designs that you felt comfortable with and some that you didn't feel comfortable with. This class was never about perfect stitches or mastering anything. It was just about showing up at your sewing machine and putting in the practice, putting in the effort, and giving yourself space to learn how to move a quilt underneath a sewing machine. And I hope you take away a better understanding of how to do that, some confidence, because we all need that, and how much progress can happen when we slow down and show up and do the work. And your quilt now will show all of that. It'll show where you started and how you progressed. And this class will live on. You can come back to it again and again. You can use it as a place to come back and practice, or a place where design options live for future quilts. Thank you so much for participating in Quilt as Desired with me. I'm really glad you were here. Thank you for all your messages and emails. I hope that you are more confident now and are willing to try free motion quilting on some of your future quilts.